Today we are making this heart quilt block with these cute little stripes. So this is a 12-inch block, so let's get started. You'll need one large rectangle. This is 6.5 by 12.5. Then you'll need two small rectangles of the same fabric. These are 3.5 by 6.5. You'll need your two stripe pieces. These are 2 inches by 12.5 inches. And then for our background pieces, we'll need 2 squares of fabric that are 6.5 inches and 4 squares of fabric that are 3.5 inches. So we'll grab our squares and we're just going to draw a line down the middle diagonally on all of our squares. So I just use a regular pencil and a ruler, and I just line the ruler up from corner to corner and draw a line. Okay, so next it's time to make our little points of our heart. So we will grab one large rectangle and 2 of our squares, and we're just going to arrange the squares so that the points, the lines make a point. So we're going to take this to the sewing machine. We'll do one at a time. So I'll just take this one and I will stitch along this line. One thing, you'll want to probably start on this side of the line. If you start on the corner, it could get eaten up in your feed dogs. But we'll just go ahead and take this over to the sewing machine and sew it. Okay, we've got our piece sewn on. Just going to grab my cutting mat here and a ruler and my rotary cutter. I'm going to line the 1/4 inch marking on the ruler with that stitching line and just trim off the excess. Now you can save this little piece and make a half square triangle with it if you'd like. Next we will grab our ironing mat and press open the piece. Okay, so next we'll grab one more square here and we're just going to line it up, making sure that we make the point at the top here, and I will just stitch along this line. Okay, I've got this other piece sewn on and we'll just trim it the same way, just lining up that stitching line with the 1/4 marking on the ruler. And then once again, we will press open Okay, so there we have our first little unit here. So we will repeat this process with our remaining small rectangle, as well as with our large rectangle and our large squares. So we'll just do that, and I'll meet you back here after I have the other units created. Okay, so I have the 3 units created now. So I just like to show you just one little tip here. You can see here on this block, this is my first attempt here, that I didn't get the fabric to line up very evenly along the top. So what I did to fix that is when I sew on this right piece, I noticed on this piece I was just kind of doing it naturally, but on this piece I just sewed just to the right of the line, just a little bit, if you can see here. And then when you iron it up, it seems to lay a little flatter. So if you're having trouble with your top like that, just try doing that just where you stitch just a little bit to the right or to the outer side of the point, if that makes sense. So next we'll just assemble our block here. So I'm just going to lay it out. I've got our 2 small triangles on the top, and then we will grab our 2 strips of fabric and then our base of our heart. So I'm just going to take these 2 pieces right here and I will just put them right sides together and stitch. Now one thing that is also helpful to make your points match up nicely right here is to change your pressing. So I'm just going to take this piece right here and I'm going to press it in the opposite way that I have it right now so that the seams will nest. So I'm just going to press it towards the red and then this piece is pressed towards the right so that the seams, when we line them up, are going opposite directions. So this one goes towards the red, this one over here goes towards the white, Then when we stitch these together, we can nest that little seam and get that little point perfect. Okay, I've got that sewn together, and we will just take this and press it one way or the other. It doesn't really matter which direction. There we have our top unit of our block here. So next we'll just sew all of these strips together. So we'll just take this one, place it right sides together with the next strip, stitch it, and then continue on down the rows. So that is how you make this heart quilt block with the stripes. It's a pretty easy block to make. I hope you enjoy it.